is the most, I find that it's the most unmundane part of sets.
Yay! I keep writing my spelling number in my sheet one.
How do you explain if it's a proper source?
Oh my god, I keep writing my article.
I would. How do you explain if it's a proper source? How do you explain? Oh my god. Sorry, I don't remember the question. It's not the question, it's asking how do you explain. It's a proper subset, yeah. So that all the elements are of the smaller set part to the set, and then not important. Okay, so we're going to do some shading. So we have already understood what is intersection and what is called union. Alright, and then we also have understood what is considered complement. Right? You all remember that? Okay, complement means that, for example, A complement B. Okay, so if I have a universal set, okay, and then after that I have a set A itself. Right, A complement B will be the, A complement will be the things outside here. Alright, so that is what we understood about complement yesterday as well. Alright, so let's do the shading. Looking at practice now 8 page 20. Okay, so in this Venn diagram, if I want to shade, okay, X complement union Y. Right, so what does that mean? X complement refers to anything that is not part of X. X refers to this circle. So X complement, it will actually be this entire part here. Okay, when you shade, you don't need to actually do the professional arc shading. Draw lines like that. Okay, as long as it is understood. However, don't shade it. Wait, let me finish. Okay, then after that we say union Y, right? Okay, union Y. Y refers to this part here, this circle. So since we're going to include union, means everything together. So I will include this part.
Morning staff and students, this is Vice Principal Mr. Benjamin Yong speaking. Please be reminded to bring a working thermometer on Monday. Please be reminded to bring a working thermometer on Monday for the temperature taking exercise on Monday. If you do not have one, please ensure you get one over the weekend in time for the temperature taking exercise on Monday. Thank you.
Maybe next time you all can develop some app that will allow temperature taking to be done by phone. Wow. I mean, then next time I don't need to remind my students.
Why can't you just use phone like
We need a separate thing. We need a separate
Oh, so you're a separate, then they can take out. I don't know, you all can go and think about it. Maybe the bio students here can collaborate with the computer.
Oh, yeah.
That will be the ideal collaboration. Okay, so in this case, you understand the X complement union Y, right? Okay, so will be anything outside of X and also including anything that's inside of Y. So this will be the shading for X complement union Y.
No, wait. But I thought complement means it's not X.
Yeah, not X, but union of Y.
So everything.
So you need to include Y as well.
So then what do you shade the universal?
Huh?
Shade the universal.
Because it is outside of X. This is the universe. Right? Anything outside the set space.
So X prime is union to Y. Is X prime plus Y.
Sorry?
Yeah.
X prime union Y is plus.
Yeah, so but X prime is the white part.
It's the whole thing outside.
The extra is anything other than
Anything other than X.
But, oh, really?
Yeah. So X prime refers to. Maybe I show you this back. Oh. X prime refers to this part here.
Maybe. Then Y prime also.
Yeah. This is X prime. This purple one. X prime. Agree? Because this is X one.
Then union Y.
But union means that you need to include Y. But there's this part over here, the intersection part that you did not shade. Okay, because but then it is part of Y, so you need to include this as well. Because union. Okay, so the entire shading that you need to do is you will have to look this way. Anybody lost? Anna? Okay. Then for part 2, we want to look at x complement intersect y. So we always start from left to right lah. Okay, x complement, so we identify where is x first. Complement of it is everything outside.
And intersect. So that's it lah.
And then after that, wait, see ah? And then after that, you have to intersect y. Where is y?
Also,
Y is actually this part here only. So it is actually this part only. So it is, we're looking at overlap, so therefore the shading that you have to present in the end, you erase everything else outside that is not part of the intersection. Okay, so the eventual shading is just that part there. Okay? So for starting out this shading thing, right, you may need to do some erasing and all that, but after that, once you get hold of it, get a hang of it, okay, it will be easier for yourself, so you can be able to visualize and you directly shade it. Don't need to do an erasing.
Also, this is the last time just shade everything outside lah.
Wait.
Again.
Yes.
X plus y then right.
Sorry?
Isn't the intersect the middle part?
But this is x complement intersect y. The intersect may not always be in the part. Yeah, the middle part. Yeah. So it is about x complement which is outside. Yeah, not x intersect y. Okay, can I move on?
Yeah, but then
Second one.
you only want the intersect.
Yeah. What are you confused about?
X plus.
Okay, let me repeat myself about x complement intersect y. X complement is anything outside of y. Okay, so it will include this part of y as well. Then after that, the intersection with y itself, y is this entire red circle. So looking at the overlap between the outside of x and y, it is only this part that has the overlapping. Because intersect means overlap.
Oh.
You understand? Okay, let me just erase this and okay, x complement
Yeah.
Okay.
is outside of the x circle, alright?
Overlap shaded.
Correct? Then after that, y itself, it is this part. Y is this entire circle. But we are looking at intersect. So where does that, why is the overlap? Okay, the overlap only exists in this part here. So everything else, we erase it. Okay? Are we clear about this? Right, you need not actually present in such crisscross manner. Okay, if you can easily tell where is this part, okay, you can just shade it like that. That is good enough. As long as the correct part is shaded. Are we clear?
That's not how all the operation works.
Everything other than everything other than basically
Yeah.
the point of this overlap.
Right now, let's look at part 3. Okay, we are looking at x union y. Then after that, outside there is a complement. So we are looking at x union y first. Then we look at the brackets outside complement. Okay, so in this case, it's not like your usual operation Or rather, it is like your usual operation where you do things inside a bracket, then you do things outside. Okay? So X union Y refers to the two circles together. But since you're looking at the complement of it, that means it is outside of the two circles. So therefore, the shading that you need to do will actually be like that. Okay? Sorry? To all in social. Now then, all the three for you.
X intercept Y. Ignore.
Okay, next move on. Okay, for part 4, we are looking at X complement union with Y complement. Okay, so that means X complement will refer to whatever that's outside of X. And then after that, Y complement, okay, will be anything that is outside of Y.
Everything.
So essentially what you're saying is that you're shading everything. Right?
You need to
Is it?
Yeah.
Outside of Y. Is it everything that you're shading? No. Okay? So don't have the intersection over there. Okay, next one. X complement intersect with Y complement. Okay, so actually previously we looked at the union, right? So let's maybe use that to guide us during this one. So we're just looking at the intersection only. Okay, so what does that mean? What will our final shading actually be? We want intersect, right? So over here we have looked at X complement, which is the purple one, and Y complement, which is the red one. But now we want the intersect only. So what does that refer to? Okay, so it only has the outside part. That means outside of the circle.
Not changes the symbol in yours.
Okay, and then the last one for the day, right? We find that we are looking at x intersect y complement, and then after that complement again.